Our webinar today is about password managers. A password manager is an application that can generate, store, retrieve, and manage all your passwords for different websites. It stores all your passwords in a database, which gives you extra protection against hackers, unauthorized personnel trying to get access to your account. It also ensures that you don't lose or forget your passwords. Why would you need one? Password managers are highly recommended by cybersecurity experts because they offer both convenience and security when it comes to your login information. Most people either use repetitive passwords, and this can put your account at risk. A password manager generates long, random passwords for all your online accounts and then stores them so you don't have to remember them. Are password managers safe? Password managers use encrypted security, making them much more secure than other ways of storing your passwords. Plus, password managers use two-factor authentication and other features such as autolog, master password, generated passwords, etc., to make logins even more secure. So simply put, yes, they are safe, much safer than not having a password manager. Is there a cost? Yes and no. Many of the password managers we will offer free versions, but limit the amount of devices you can access your password from and how many passwords you can store. So an example of a password manager is Dashline, which includes a free version, which allows you to store up to 50 passwords. It has a one device limit, and you can get a free trial for 30 days for the premium version. The premium version, which has a $60 cost, can allow you to enter unlimited passwords with unlimited devices and a VPN for Wi-Fi protection for public Wi-Fi network use, and more protections and features. TrueKey is another one, which includes a free version, which has a 15 password limit, and it has an unlimited device limit. And then the premium version, which is $20 a year, allows you to enter unlimited passwords with unlimited devices. Note that McAfee, parent of TrueKey, offers total privacy and antivirus protection plans that include TrueKey. Kaspersky, which is another one, has a free version which allows you to have up to 15 passwords with unlimited devices, and the premium version costs $15 a year, allowing unlimited passwords and early setup and sync. Note that Kaspersky is a larger computer security company that offers antivirus and security software. Bear, which is another one, has a free version which allows unlimited passwords, but it has a one device limit and no syncs or backups. And the premium version, which is $36 a year, allows for unlimited passwords, unlimited devices, syncs all across, and priority customer services. Note that price is lower than $30 a year if you commit to 2 years, and price is $21 a year if you commit to 3 years. LastPass is another one. The free version allows for multiple devices for one user. It has a password generator, and it allows for unlimited passwords. And the premium version, which is at $36 a year, allows for multiple devices for one user, password generator, unlimited passwords, and 1 GB of encrypted file storage, copies of passwords, and other important documents. And the family plan, which is at $48 a year, has the same features as the premium version with access for 6 users. 1Password, there's no free version, but it does offer a 30-day free trial on products. The individual plan is $35 a year with unlimited passwords, unlimited devices, 1 GB of encrypted document storage, travel mode, which removes sensitive data from your device when you cross borders. And the family plan, which is around $60 a year, has the same as the the individual plan, but it allows access for 5 users, and it can recover accounts for locked out family members. So to decide which option is best for you, consider what you need out of your password manager. Do you have a lot of passwords to keep? Do you keep multiple devices or just one? Do you require or want extra computer protection like antivirus? And consider what you're getting for your money with the paid version.
And maybe we'll just pause there for a second and let the seniors kind of absorb those questions and think about it for a few seconds.
Sure.
Well, when they limit you on the number of passwords, if you're changing your passwords, does that include that? Or once you get the password, that's it?
By number of different by number of passwords, it means the number of different websites you have passwords for.
Right. So when it says, do you have a lot of passwords to keep? It's referring to the passwords that you are currently using. So they don't give you a password. You put your passwords into their system. So your password for your email, for example.
So that's like if you have a charge account and you have a password like for Target and those places.
Yes.
Hi.
Okay. I think we can move on to the next.
Oh, I have a question.
We'll hold the questions until the end unless they're related to answering these questions for yourself and helping you. So
well, it is. I
okay.
want to understand when when the computer asks for a password, do you put in the master password? Say in LastPass, they give you a master password, or do you put in the former password? When you're asked for a password,
Yes.
what do you put in? Do you put in the master password of the passport manager, or do you put in the former password you had for that website?
So it depends on who or what is asking you to enter a password.
Well,
if you're trying to access your password manager, then you need to put in the master password for that password manager. If your computer is asking you for a password when you turn on your computer, that's not the same.
Okay, I'm not following it because I got LastPass, and then my retirement website asked for a password, and I didn't know which password I was supposed to put in to access my retirement information. And I'm not sure what you're telling me I should have done.
Okay, so it sounds like you were trying to access a specific website.
Right.
Right. So when a specific website asks you to put in your password, you would have to type in the password for that website. So the way that a password manager works is that when you open your internet browser for the first time, you have to log into your password manager. But then when you go to your retirement website, you can just open up your password manager and then search for your retirement website and then click it, and it should automatically fill the username and the password.
Are you saying that first I have to go through LastPass to get to my retirement website?
You don't have to, but you can. As long as you can get to the website, it doesn't matter how you get to the website.
Okay.
As long as you get to the website, and as long as you are logged into your password manager, then your password manager should be able to fill the password for your retirement website automatically.
So I don't have to take a specific step to get into my LastPass account before I open up my retirement website. Is that correct?
Not regularly. You will have to do it at least one time,
Oh,
but
well,
not every time.
at least one time for each website?
No, at least one time for each time you turn on your computer, unless you say save password when you log in that first time.
Oh,
So Jeffrey will show that in the demo.
oh, good, good.
Yeah,
Thank you.
but that was a good question. Okay, so
If
we'll
you
just
need
keep
more
going.
help too, we can all help you guys with your questions in the breakout room too.
Yeah, so we'll just keep continuing with the presentation, and just a reminder to go very slow.
Okay. I'll just repeat this last slide. So to decide which option is best for you, consider what you need to get out of your password manager. Do you have a lot of passwords to keep? Do you use multiple devices or just one? Do you require or want extra protection against viruses? And consider what you're getting out of your money with the paid version. So the simplest password managers are LastPass and 1Password. The one with the most features is Dashline. The one that can be bundled with antivirus are TrueKey and Kaspersky. The best free password manager is LastPass. And to install a password manager, Google the password manager that you wish to download and press download. To make sure you are entering the correct site when you do this, look for https:// and then the slashes, and use the proper URL spelling for your search bar. Download the correct software for your device, browser, etc. And on a mobile or tablet, search for the app in the App Store on your device. No need to worry about the correct software for your device on this one. So now Jeffrey is going to be doing a live demo.
So the password manager I'm going to be showing is LastPass. It's one that I would personally recommend too. So to get started with, I'm going to make an account with Zoom, which is something I'm assuming everyone here has already done. So I would click, oh, this is in the way, create an account, and I'm just going to put a fake birthday here just to get in. And then here's where you would put in your email address. And I've made a new email address for this. Okay, and I'll just confirm that. Okay, so here's where you would normally put in your password. So I would put in my name and then with your password. Now you see with LastPass installed, which you can find up here in the upper right corner, either it's this 3 dots and 1 single line icon, or it'll be in the jigsaw under LastPass right here. You'll see with LastPass installed, there's this new button right here. It looks like a lock with an arrow around it. And if you click that, sorry, first I have to log into LastPass. So when you click this button here, it'll say generate a password. And this may look like a bunch of random characters to you, but it's a really secure password. And if you want, you can customize it with all these different things. You can change the length of it. We'll set it back to 12. You can make it easy to say, which I wouldn't recommend because it makes your password weaker. Easy to read, which gets rid of characters like I and L and O and 0, which you can mix up, or all characters. So once you click this right here, fill password, the red button, it'll put in the password for you. And you can see up here, it says, if you want to add it to LastPass, which I want to do because this is a demo for the password manager LastPass, but you can see that it got my name wrong because I put in my email already. So you can edit it right here. And this is where you put in your username. So add. Okay. Now, this right here, the LastPass icon, is where you access all your passwords. So I just click on it and I click open my vault. And you can see right here, I have the password that I just added, Zoom, with my username and this secure password that it made for me. And also, I have one that I added before, which is the demo email I made, which also has a unique and secure password. So since I have this Google one already added in my LastPass vault, which is what it's called, I can go into Gmail here and sign in. And then you'll see there's another icon right here, a gray icon with a 1 on it, which means there's one password available for Gmail. So if I click on that, you'll see I have the option to fill it in, which I'll do, and it puts my username straight in. So when I go to next, it's there again. And since I'm signed into my password manager, it also filled in my password without me doing anything. So I can get into my email without any problems.